buy a Ford.
Ain't about a Ford, it's about taking care of it. I already drive the guy, don't check his oil. He's probably driving along, don't even fucking realize it.
If we can get up to them fast enough. Listen to this shit, y'all. Damn. Holy fuck.
Fucking knock it on head.